Okay, Google. I'm up.
Good morning, Sam. The time is 9:30 a.m. Right now in Richmond, it's 42 and cloudy. Today, there'll be scattered showers with a forecasted high of 56 and a low of 42. Today at 6 p.m. you have a dinner with Mom. Have a great day.
Okay, Google. How long will it take to get to the market?
With light traffic, it will take you 6 minutes to get to market at 8th and Main by car. You can see the full directions on your phone.
Hey Google, play all my jams on iHeartRadio.
Alright, here's all my jams on iHeartRadio.